Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you're fine, enjoying life well. In today's video, I'm going to sharing with you very beautiful crochet bag design. I hope viewers you like these designing ideas. If you want more of these designing ideas, then viewers also tell me comment. I will upload more of the designing ideas for you on my YouTube channel. Viewers, previously I upload many videos about crochet bag, tote bag, market bags and many other bags. If you want those type of videos more, then we were telling comment. So viewers, because I will upload those videos, so my viewers like to watch those and gain information. I really wanted to tell you about crochet work. I really want that you learn about crochet work and make your own accessories, bags and your outfit. Or if you want to make crochet work your business to earn some money, then viewers, it is also a very good choice. Because viewers, crochet work is very easy and you can earn money from it very easily. We will see how beautiful the crochet bag is looking, the check bag, the color contrasting of the bag. And if you want to make some cute bags like some animal character bag, some cartoon character bag or more like these, then viewers also tell in comment section. I will upload more of these videos on my YouTube channel for you. Viewers, see how beautiful the cat logo is looking. It's your choice that which animal do you like the most, which character do you like the most. If you have any idol, you can make the face of your idol on the crochet bag. Just search crochet pattern and type what you want, what type of crochet pattern you want. They will give you a pattern, free pattern. Or if you don't want to do that all stuff, then you will just tell in comment.